Imagine creating your own IPTV network from scratch, reaching audiences globally with customized content. Today, we'll guide you through building an IPTV network step by step to revolutionize broadcasting. First, gather the necessary hardware, ensure quality streaming equipment for seamless viewer experience. Next, select the best software solutions that will provide you essential control over your network. Configuration is crucial. Set up your system for optimized performance and minimal latency issues. Discover the importance of security protocols to protect your network and viewer data from breaches. Content is key. Curate or create unique programming that engages and retains your audience. Learn about user interfaces that maximize viewer engagement through intuitive design and accessibility. Implement monetization strategies, from subscription models to ad placements, to generate revenue. Anticipate challenges and prepare solutions to ensure your IPTV network operates smoothly long-term. Evolve and adapt. Understand emerging technologies to stay ahead in the competitive IPTV landscape. Test frequently. Conduct viewer polls and surveys to fine-tune your service according to feedback. Interactive features can elevate your IPTV network. Keep exploring novel ways to excite viewers. Start your journey with the best resources. Visit 2tv.store for premium IPTV tools. Empower communities worldwide. Understanding how to share knowledge effectively with your network. Now, unleash your IPTV potential by creating a network that captivates and grows with you.